overloading the map. So here you have, you can see all of those different, I think you probably selected one of those locations. So you can see how the location is, where you are relative to the location. And here you have basically virtual Earth. So you have not only the maps, we also have the satellite view, and you can also kind of, zoom out and, so basically the virtual Earth experience that was pretty much like a desktop, it was converted for the Surface in multi-touch. Okay, and you can of course zoom out all the way to the globe and that kind of stuff. Right? Another very powerful thing about Microsoft Surface is the object recognition aspect of it. So we have a couple of apps here that I want to show. One is for the eyewear selection, product selection. So let's say maybe you're going to a store and say, what do you guys have on this particular lens color, right? So then it shows all the products for that. Or say, how about with this other, So you use objects to kind of communicate with the system. Notice that there are no menus, everything's very much, object driven. Or you may say, actually I'm looking for products based on like a metal frames. So what do you have in metal frames, or what do you have for plastic? Okay. Another interesting application we have created also for the eyewear business. It's more like a customization type of option where, let's pick goggles for example, right? You have the ability to just using the touch interface and, change the frames or, that sort of thing. So nothing really crazy there. But another thing that is kind of interesting is, let's say, I pick this product and then I change the lens color, and we want to see how somebody would look like on those pair of glasses. So here I have a couple of photos that I have taken. So when you place the camera on a table, what it does, it brings that photo out of the camera. Let me do a quick alignment here to get my friend over here. And then what you can do is you can touch and kind of place, kind of have a quick preview of how that person will look like. Maybe he may not like this particular pair, and maybe we can pick another one here, and we can see how he looks on that one.
This would greatly help me get dressed and plan for events, like tonight.
Exactly. And Surface is a very powerful platform. You can look at information like, for example, this is an application that we developed to kind of showcase Wirestone, our company. So, for example, you have the ability to show like factoids, or I can talk about our clients, we talk about our verticals, and let's say I go to our clients, I can speak about, the work that we have done for HP and so forth. And the way I communicate that is by playing videos. And you can have several video streams playing at the same time. Images. Or also, what you can do, you can look at the documents by kind of going through it's almost like you're flipping pages. Like I say, it's completely multi-user. You can have multiple people working on the field at the same time. And so the same, and it's interesting. Like this is another interesting application that is a proof of concept for the financial business. And so let's say you're a bank and you sell a variety of car loans or home loans or that type of thing. This one's not loaded right now. I think what introduced me to close.
Do you have any applications for real estate?
For real estate?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is not. I don't know. Probably there are a lot of like customization of homes, that type of thing. Like if let's say you have a piece of like a tile or a carpet or some customization of the house, and you want to see how the house will look like,
So remodeling, maybe
that
staging a home.
the staging and all of that stuff. You know.
Okay, we like it. How much does it cost?
Yeah.
So the I think the unit, the retail for the unit is about $15,000. But then you need to get the software that goes in it.
Yeah.
And currently, you're not going to find a lot of shrink wrap applications. So basically, you need to find a good partner that will develop applications for you. You know.
So how much for what you're doing there?
What's that?
How much for what you're doing there?
I think it will depend a lot on what piece for the software development, you say. I think it depends a lot on what application you're talking, and the cost can vary quite a bit. It's hard for me to say how much it would cost because, you know, it depends a lot on what you're trying to do.
Hey, Reggie. Is this my Christmas present next year? Where would you
Microsoft. Basically there are two things. One is the unit itself. So this is Microsoft Surface. And then once you get the Surface unit, you need to get the
I wonder if
software
they give a floor
that
room
will run
discount.
underneath. Okay. So yeah, let me show you a couple other applications. I'm not sure if I have presented everything for everybody here.
What's a 3D test?
Oh, that's just an internal test. You want to see it? I can show you.
Is it good?
So basically, we're just trying to understand what are the capabilities.
This has been Nick with My Tech Opinion.
for this plane.
Hey, this is Reggie.
Hey.
And this is Nick from My Tech Opinion. And we're here with our new friend. Tell us your name.
I'm David Smith with Wirestep.
All right. And we were just checking out your handiwork down here,
Yes,
huh?
with Fabio, our new star.
All right.
He likes to show that off.
Hey, we were wondering specifically what this unit would be useful for real estate agents. How you think they would find it useful?
Well, you could basically take listings out into public places, like let's say, for example, a mall. So you could have this unit at a mall, and you could showcase houses and do walkthroughs, video walkthroughs, things like that. Could be for people that want to refi their houses, so financial companies, credit card companies. I mean, it's really endless. Just anything. You can almost take this as an extension of your distribution channel and put it in places where people congregate. Airports, things like that.
Okay.
How cool would that be?
Yeah. Super cool. Well, thank you. It was great meeting you.
Nice
And
meeting you.
I know what I'm asking for Christmas next year. Come on, Reggie.